Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I'd like to explain about comparing and merging of two Excel sheets. Comparing and merging of two Excel sheets. First of all, let us see how to compare two Excel worksheets, or we can compare two Excel workbooks also. Okay, we can compare two worksheets which is of same workbook, and also we can compare two different workbooks also. So we know that in a workbook by default three worksheets are there. We can compare at a time two worksheets of same workbook, or we can also compare two different workbooks. Okay, now let us see first of all how to compare two different workbooks. See here I have taken a file, and the file name is, you observe here, the file name is Corona 1. That means the workbook name in Excel is Corona 1. Okay. In this workbook, I have the data in April month. These states are here in April month. How many Corona cases are registered? This data I have stored in the workbook Corona 1. So now I am taking another workbook. Why? Because so now I am comparing the data in between two different workbooks. This is another workbook. You observe the name here. This is Corona 2. See here. This is Corona 2. That means I have taken two different workbooks. First one is Corona 1 and second one is Corona 2. In Corona 2, the May month data is there regarding Corona. That means in different states, how many cases are registered in May month. This data is in Corona 2. And in Corona 1, in April month, okay, the states are here, how many cases are registered. Okay, so now I want to compare these two different workbooks. Okay, right. So when it is easy to compare two different workbooks, when both the workbooks are side by side, it is very easy to compare. Now here what happened, the data is in different workbooks. It is not that easy to compare. When both the workbooks are side by side, it is very easy to compare. So now observe, I am aligning these two workbooks side by side. For that we have to choose the view tab. Okay, in view tab you have to click on, see here, arrange all. Okay, and if our data is side by side, that means in vertical position, then it is very easy to compare. So for that purpose, here I am clicking on vertical. I am clicking on this vertical. Okay, see here. You observe here. Automatically, you observe this is different file. See here, this is different file. This is Corona 1. This is different workbook, and this is different workbook. But both the workbooks are now side by side. When it is side by side, it is very easy to compare. You observe here. See here, in Maharashtra, April month 5,000 cases are registered. In May month, Maharashtra 8,000 cases are registered. When both the workbooks are side by side, it is very easy to compare. And one more thing here, you observe. Suppose the data is like this, okay, and it is okay. But when I scrolling this one, it is not in this Corona 2. Scrolling is not occurring. If I click here, then only scrolling will come in this. So now my requirement is, at a time I want scrolling in both the workbooks. See here, for that purpose we have to click on, you observe here one option is there. This is called as side by side. The option name is side by side. Okay, so when you click on this option is enabled. Now it is not enabled, it is in disabled position. So what is the purpose of this one? Is this name of this option is synchronous scrolling. Synchronous scrolling. So the purpose of synchronous scrolling is So whenever you scroll here, automatically two workbooks can scroll. If you scroll here also, automatically this workbook also comes into scrolling. See here, I am clicking on side by side. After that, see here, automatically this is enabled. So now this is called as synchronous scrolling. You observe here. So what happen when I scroll, automatically two workbooks will scroll. See here, it is very easy to compare now. Now we can see very easily. See here, like this, one by one, one by one, one by one. So this is how to compare between comparison between, or to compare two different workbooks. Here we have taken the two different workbooks are Corona 2 and Corona 1. Clear? Right. Now let us see how to compare in between sheets. These two different workbooks. Comparison between two different workbooks. Okay. Now let us see different workbooks. Okay. Comparison between the different sheets. See here. Here I have taken same Corona 2 workbook. In that, in sheet 1, cases registered in May month data is there. Okay, right. Now I am comparing between two sheets. By default, in a Microsoft Excel workbook, we have three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Till now we have compared between two different workbooks. Now I am comparing in between sheet 1 and sheet 2 of same workbook. Okay, right. You observe here in sheet 1, May month data is there. That means how many cases, corona cases are registered in the May month, and in sheet 2, in June month, how many cases are registered, or this data is there. Now I want to compare these two sheets belonging to the same workbook of Corona 2. For this, the procedure is, see here, click on view, and here this belongs to Corona 2. These two sheets are belong to Corona 2 workbook only. So now I am taking a duplicate workbook belongs to this Corona 2. For that purpose, so we have to click on, see here, new window. Okay, and you observe here, this is the name of the Corona 2. This is the name of the workbook. Okay, so now I am clicking on new window. See here. You observe here name 2.2. That means here two files are there. New window. See, Corona May month I have taken. This is the original file, and Corona 2.2. This is the replica. That means duplicate file. Okay. So now my requirement is. See here. Now my requirement is, I want to compare two sheets. Again same, arrange all, click vertical. You observe here. This is the original file Corona 2.1, and this is the duplicate or replica of this one. Okay, and same, if you click on here, what happen, automatically this will be enabled and we can compare easily. Okay, if you do anything here, automatically, see here, if you type anything here, automatically it will come here also. Why? Because this is same workbook but duplication of this one. That's why if you do anything and if you do any editing here, automatically take place here also. Why? Because this is not a separate workbook. Okay, this workbook belongs to this one only, the original, and this is the duplication of this one. Okay, this is how we can compare two sheets of same workbook. Okay, right. Now observe here. So now let us discuss about how to merge. How to merge two different Excel workbooks. See here. Here I am taking one Excel workbook that is called as October. File name is. Now we are talking about how to merge two different Excel workbooks. Okay, this is October and this is November. See here, this is November and this is October. You observe the name, this is October and this is November. So now I want to merge. Now I want to merge. Merge is nothing but, see here, see here, this is October workbook. In this, some data is there. See here, student name and fees paid. Some students are there here, and in October month, why? Because the name of this workbook is October. In October month, how many members have paid fees? That data is there in this workbook. Okay. In November also, you observe same students, how much fees they have paid and what is the total is there here. Okay. So now I want to merge these two workbooks. Merge is nothing but October data, same students, some fees paid. In November month, same students, some fees paid. Now I want the total amount. Suppose the first person is there. You observe here, Ayush is there. In October month, how much fees he paid? 7,000 in October. You observe, in October Ayush paid 7,000. In November, observe here, in November 5,000 paid. That means total how much he paid? 12,000. So like that, in one sheet, October is in one workbook and November is in one workbook. I want the total, that means total amount they paid each and everyone in one workbook. I want the total amount. Ayush, total amount how much he paid? Suyash, total amount he paid. Naina, total amount he paid. Sorry, she paid. Okay, so like that, complete I want the in one worksheet. Okay, so for that the procedure is, first you take that new workbook. In this workbook I want, okay, and October is in one workbook and November is in one workbook. In another new workbook I want the complete details, that means complete total, how they have paid October and November. Complete details I want with totals, right? See here, keep the cursor here. After that, click on data tab. Okay, in that we have one option that is called as consolidate. See here, okay, consolidate. Observe here, consolidate. Click on this option. Okay, so once again I am telling, the October workbook is there. In that they have paid, which is in October, that data is in that workbook. November is different workbook, but my requirement is I want the total in another workbook. Okay, so we are merging October workbook and November workbook are there na, so that data we are merging and we are getting here in this workbook, new workbook. See here, right here. So we have to open the files October and we have to select this one, okay, and click on add. Next, November, select this one, click on add, okay, and delete this one. This back is there na, just delete this one, a backspace, okay. And here use labels is there na, labels is nothing but student name, fees paid and these names. So top row and means this one, top row and left column, create links to data source data, click this one and you observe here, click on OK. Now you observe here, this is another workbook which we have taken new workbook. In that complete details will came. You observe here, total fees paid. Ayush, how much paid? Okay, if you want to see the complete, see here, total also came here, 1 lakh. If you want to see the complete details means, you observe here, 1 is there na, just click on 2, will come. See here, Ayush, in November he had paid 5,000, in October 7,000. Ayush, complete the amount paid is in 2 months 12,000. Like that, Suyash, complete, Naina, Siddhi. So the complete amount they have paid, okay, in October and November month is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this is about how to merge in two workbook. See here. Okay, you click on again one, what happened? Will show you the complete amount they have paid. If we want in details means just click on 2. See. Okay, so this is about comparing and merging Microsoft Excel sheets. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel for more videos, like it and share it and comment. Give the comments. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.